Hey yo, my name is Obio. I deserve this Grammy award. I'm from Africa. I deserve this Grammy award. I'm one of the father of Afrobeat. Why all these things? I work very hard to make sure that I put myself in limelight. What's wrong with you people? Hey yo. Bịa nwoke m, gee ntị angụ na anyụwa bụ Africa, especially Nigeria. We know how to disgrace ourselves. We know how to disgrace ourselves. Efuru ka ndị nwe Grammy si wee ji Davido wee kpee ego. Efuru ka ndị na-eme Grammy organize si wee jiri our own Obio were cash out. Kedu ka esi nominate mmadụ for 3 categories enye ka ofu mkpụrụ award, and ndị winning award aha they are nowhere to be found. It's a very shameful thing. It's a very shameful thing. Emega ihe a olomole ama mgbage ma ihe anụ ayamara ihe anya wa Africa, especially Nigerians ayamara ihe. Ọ gara anyị mma ebe a ga build our own award ha shi obodo Igbo bịa anyị ha award na baị. Kedu ife mere Headies Award? Ndị nwe Headies Award buru Headies Award na-agara ya nki for the ceremony, but ndị nwe Grammy amabulugwe Grammy bịa Abuja for the ceremony. Careful how insensible anyị dị. Efu ka ndachi we jiri Obio we shine no nominated for 3 categories kama ofu mkpụrụ enwe nke nyere ya. It's a very shameful thing. It's a very shameful thing. I am on continue now worship ndị ọcha. I am on continue now about ndị ọcha. Afrobeat have taken over the world. Nothing you can do about it. Afrobeat have taken over the world. Okay now, this song from Rema, Calm Down. Anywhere you play that song around the world, people must dance to that song. But that song was not nominated in any Grammy award. Some nonsense song, never up to, let me say, 30k views na YouTube, be a win the award. Careful on here about manipulation. Here manipulation. Nigerians, we should come and build our own. We should come and build our own. You need the Grammy award to prove to the world that you are good. That's why I like this guy called Wizkid. Wizkid is the kind of guy that he always stay content with what he has. Wizkid, that boy na papa na eko. Give on a for. He all be billionaire on his own. Oh my God, through music, award or no award, Wizkid will still be a star boy. Fajiri Davido we shine no. Nominated for 3 categories. Come on, award. We get here. And tomorrow night, if I listen Davido now, or when I got the Grammy, can nominate also. Instead of it, Nigeria chose to organize it. Build Headies Award, Koburu, a very big award. I'm a mere ending way Hip TV. Oh no, in here from today. Men that award organized in Abuja or Lagos. Can not show how about playing beer? Hayo. And we award double for African. Give it Naga Yankee and Yankee Ibiwega. Baby, not try to make her. Then later on, give a spetty. Cannot not child Valuogi. Eba Hammer. Naman Buka Berankigi. Africans, we should learn, especially Nigerians. We should learn. We should learn. If Rana, I'll go our own Obio Nala. 3 categories. Engineer. Share this video. Share this video. Share this video. Go even the Headies Award owner and Hip TV owner. Na if on eme atawunye Headies Award ya bude gawa Yankee adron necessary ya bude beba Onitsha Aba ọ gara ịgba ebe ahụ karịa ibi aga Yankee. Daalụnụ.